Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubham and you're watching Analystmind today. So today we are going to solve a very unique kind of problem. So we will also find this problem on lead code. It's basically on the hard category. So okay. So without wasting time, we'll directly start and go through the problem, and I will also explain you what the output is and how we are going to solve this. Okay. So let's go with the problem statement. So here I'm using a one compiler. Okay. So write a SQL query to retrieve one record per user such that if a user has two or more activities, return the second latest activities based on start date. Okay? If the user has only one activity, return the single activity. So basically what they are asking. So here I've given a simple query to build the table. I will also provide this in description. So if you see, here is our output and here is our required output. Okay, so here if you see, I'm having total 1 2 3 4 4 entries and activities for Alice. ALICE the name, we have three different kind of entries. So if you see, start date 12 21 24, this are of single month only, but here we are we only want the second most entry. Okay, second list activities, and also for the person who has only one activities, basically the Bob, we want these entries. So let's see how we are going to solve this today. Okay, so I hope you understand the problem statement now. Okay, so what I will do is I will just quickly delete this and will just use this. Okay, now just delete the output and we'll write it with you again. Okay, so first of all, here the technique or the solution which I will go through will be based on rank. So I will first try to rank the username based on a start date, and let's see what outputs will get. So we'll write select star from, this form is done, so we'll just write comma row number. So row number function I'm using over partition by username, order by start date, descending, and we'll just run this and see what's happening over here. Okay, we'll call this as rnkdsc. Okay, so if you see, I'm getting rank over here for particular username. So I have ranked it descending, so whatever the highest date will be there, the latest date will be there, it will rank as the highest, and whatever will be the second lowest date will be ranked as second. Okay, so by using, I can use this directly and get the second latest activity. But what about the person who is having only one activity? Now for that we will use count. Okay, so this will be a little tricky, so I will be counting star, but I will use a partition on this. Okay, so count star over partition by username, and nothing, just I will just rename as total. Okay, and just a minute, I will just copy this down, put a comma over here, and this way we'll get a total activity count. So now if I will just use a simple condition where my design rank is equal to 2 and total activity is 1, that will provide me exactly what I wanted. So okay, so we'll just use this select statement over here. Select star from this. I will use a subquery, so this will be my subquery, then here will be where. Now here I will write the condition where my total activity is equal to 1 and my rank descending is 1. Okay, so basically this will give me the entries which are only having one activity. Okay, and or I'm using total activity greater than 1 and rank descending is equal to 2. So let's see what this gives us as a. So this will provide me a rank descending total activity 2131. Okay, so yeah, this is how we'll get our total activity where the condition is my having only one particular activity. Okay, and for the second condition, which is having the second most recent activity, that condition will satisfy by this particular statement. So this is how, guys, you can solve this query. If you're having any other way by which you can solve this, you are like, I will be very happy to see that query. So you can just try this, and I will paste this data, particular insert and create table statements in my description. And whatever query you are using, please let me know in the comment section. I will go through it for sure. Thank you and have a nice day. See you in the next video.